Just want to walk through Module 1, Getting Started with Excel, with you and show you how to get started in Excel to make it a little bit easier on you. So when you click in the course page, I started at the home page and I'm going over to the online classroom. We're in week 2 where we're working on Excel Module 1. You'll scroll down, you'll see the overview, the list of assignments. There's a couple of files that you really need to take a look at before you get started with the work for the week. There's an Excel step-by-step instructions. This is a very helpful file that will help you learn how to download your files, save and move your files if you're not really familiar with how to save files and where your files go and how to move them around and save them on a flash drive or save them on a Google Drive and then download them back. These 2 files will be very helpful for you on doing that. And of course, if you have questions, you're welcome to come into one of my Zoom rooms and I'll be happy to help you one-on-one with that if those aren't helpful for you. What I want to do now is go into the ebook. This is the link to the ebook. And I want to just kind of get you started because I've had students in the past that were a little confused. These instructions in the ebook are just a little bit confusing when you're first getting started out here. Let me make sure I'm starting out in the right place. Okay. When you open the ebook, it's going to start you, it should start you right here on EX 1-2, I believe. So it tells you to, let me just back all the way out and make sure I'm at the very beginning. It'll probably start you here on getting started with Excel. It'll show you the introduction, all of these items here. You'll just click through. Of course, you should read the information here. I'm just trying to get you over to what I want to show you here. This is going to tell you to go to the backstage view and click on open and then browse and then navigate to this module folder to get your data files. We are not going to be doing that. Over here in your online classroom, I have provided the start file for you. So that's been confusing for students, some students in the past, because they didn't know where to find this file, okay? I have provided all the files for you. So always start with the links I have provided for you in the online classroom. This is your textbook project. So you will open this link and this will go along with the book. Once you get that file opened, if the book ever asks you to open a file, this is the textbook project that will go along with the textbook project file that it will be referring to in the textbook. Okay, I hope that makes sense for you. So we're going to open it now and take a look at it so that you can kind of see what it looks like. And notice when I open this, when I click that link, my Cengage was already open up here in this window. So it's not going to open 2 Cengage tabs. So if you're looking around saying it's not opening, look around either down here on the lower browser or up here on the top and click on that tab to where your Cengage tab was, and it'll allow you to open it. You'll be able to go to your start file. Here also, with the textbook project, it is going to give you the ebook link, the link to the ebook here, okay? So you don't have to use that ebook link that I have provided for you in the online classroom. You can wait until you start the textbook project, click on this link, and it will give you the ebook link here. A lot of times students will open this and then they'll kind of keep it handy, and then they'll open this start file too. And you can kind of make them side by side on your screen. However, it's most helpful for you. You can minimize one tab and keep one screen open here, just however it works best. Some people are working on this at home. You may have 2 monitors at your house where you can pull one up on one monitor, one up on the other. So you can have the ebook up on one, and just however it works best for you. So I'm going to open up my ebook. And then we're going to download your start file. You'll notice that the start file typically will come here in your lower left-hand corner of your screen as it's downloading. If it disappears, you're going to look for the file folder, the yellow file folder, and it will always go default just to your regular file folder. And then that file that I showed you over here, help on saving and moving files, this will show you how to find that file and then save it where you want it to go, so you'll always know how to find it. Okay. Then once you have your ebook open in this file, it will kind of start you out where you need to be started on the assignment. Please make sure you follow the directions. Each one of these little orange numbers is a step that you need to complete in your textbook project assignments. You need to follow these pretty much to the letter, step by step. You're learning how to complete tasks in Excel, and you need to follow these step by step. SAM MindTap grading is very particular. They want you to learn how to do these things in a particular order, in a very specific way. So the grading is picky. I do give you 3 attempts on these assignments. So please make sure that you pay attention and try to do them specifically the way they ask you to do. You do get a report at the end when you submit them. So if you've missed something, it does tell you what you did wrong. So you can go back and correct your mistakes. The way I see this class, it's a learning class. So I want you to learn how to do this and how to do it perfect. The way I see it is perfect practice makes perfect. I don't want you to do it quickly and submit it. I want you to learn how to do it correctly. Okay, so that's why I like that saying, perfect practice makes perfect. Okay, but I wanted to kind of show you how this was set up and how you need to be going through these assignments. So I hope this little tutorial was helpful for you to kind of see how to find the assignment, how to start out working on it. I will be seeing you soon. Have a great day.